Welcome friends to another edition of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. In this session, we will notch up a little bit higher and look at a few advanced functions from now on till a few more sessions. We'll now have a look at the VLookUp formula. The VLookUp is not you, me and we look up to something like say these Excel sessions. It's V for vertical lookup. To understand the concept of VLookUp, let us take the example of going to a restaurant or a waffle place or ice cream parlor, and how we look up the rate of an item. Here I have copied from the internet a small menu of Belgian waffles. The varied items are here listed. The first column, ignore the images here, they are too tempting. The first column is with the classics: honey butter, waffle butter, mango white chocolate, almond cocoa butter, and so on. The second column is the mini pancakes. Third is the original waffle. Fourth is ice cream waffle. So if you want to select an item, you scroll down in the first column and then go to an item which you like. Let us say Kit Kat. Once you see which item you have decided on, you go to the right, look at the various options available. The mini pancake is 110, the original waffle is 140, the ice cream waffle is 160. You decide on the original waffle. Kit Kat, the original waffle is the third column. The matching cell is 140. This is how exactly VLookUp works. You need to decide what you want, then where do you want it, where is it available, that is in the menu item here, the first item to the last thing, and then which column it is there. So we'll look at the syntax. Syntax is the VLookUp value. I'll just type it here. VLookUp has got lookup value, the first column. The table array from the fourth column last cell to the first column first cell is a table array. The column index number, that is where you want it, the first, the second, the third column. The range lookup, these are attempt the same thing here: the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. In plain English, VLookUp, what you want to look up, where you want to look for it, the column number and the range containing the value to be returned, and an approximate or exact match. To understand the concept this better, I have put this whole thing in Excel sheet bearing the heading. Just get it here. This is the menu. Same thing as here, put it in Excel format. The first column containing the item, second, third and fourth containing the various options available. We now build up a formula. Let us find what do you want, which item you require, we say we want, let us say, KitKat. The formula is VLookUp. The lookup value is KitKat. So we'll first use the KitKat in quotes, and then the table array. The table array is from the second row onwards, where in the heading, and then go to the fourth column, last cell, the triple chocolate. So address is H5 to K21, and then you wanted a original of which is in the 1, 2, 3 third column. So you put 3 here, and you want an exact match of KitKat. So KitKat exact match you wanted, it false, and then close it. So KitKat in the menu items, the third column, 140. So just a cross check here, 140 is what gives you KitKat original of which. In case you wanted the ice cream of which, your fourth column, 160. You want triple chocolate, go for TRAPLE COLAT is 170. So rather than changing it every time, the better option is you put up this address here, which is H23, and then look up here. So here now you write triple chocolate is 170, dark and white fantasy is 160. This is for the ice cream of which is in the fourth column. You want to have rated 1 go. What you do is copy the whole thing here to here to here, and then change the column number to 2, 3. This is 4. So you select here, and then you have this. Let us copy the whole thing here. So select your choice here, chocolate, overload, milk and dark. It is 110, 140, 160. This is the basic of how VLookUp works. We will see again different usages of VLookUp in the subsequent sessions. Hope you have learned something new and you have something to look up to in the next session. Thanks for watching.